Hey guys, what's up? So this is my old office setup. Looking back at it, doesn't look good at all. Just wait until you see the new setup that I got. Alright, if you guys enjoyed that, please hit that like button. This is my headphones from Corsair. This is my wire management. Also my LED light controller. All the wires are in cable clips to help with the wire management. I'll leave the links to everything in the description below. This is just my organizer tray to keep everything tidy. This is my speaker, Bluetooth speaker system. And these are the lights. Very pretty. That's my microphone. I also run the LED strips along the back of the monitor, so it gives that nice lighting effect. And this is my cactus plant. It's a set of 4. And that's my Xbox controller. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys think about these pictures. I love them. Pretty cool, man. This is my iMac. And my wireless charger. Goes my speaker. It's motion. There we go. Here goes my little USB-C hub. And that's how I did the wires on the wall so they wouldn't be hanging. I got these shelves from Walmart. If I can find them online, I'll link them down below also. And that's my modem along with some boxes just to make it look a little pretty, I guess. That's my router. Also some cable clips. Kind of tuck the wire down a bit. Here goes that wall map. Massive. This is my softbox light. It's a pack of 2. One is on the other side. Also a little wire management there. And that's my tripod. It's not fully extended yet. I'll extend it later on in the video so you guys can see that. And that's my chair. Pretty comfy. Nice footrest. It's also a massage chair. So it's USB, you just plug it in. You'll tap that button and enjoy your massage. This is a massaging pad. There goes the other softbox light. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. This is my Bluetooth remote for the tripod. It also has a level. So I'm using the controller under the table to control the lights. You can also do this from your smartphone, but I'm recording with my phone, so I can't showcase that. But everything I'm able to control from my phone. Also, these lights go along with music. So if I had music playing, you'd see different kind of lights. These are my smart bulbs. I have 2. I'm able to control those from my phone also. But again, I'm using my phone to record, so I can't showcase that. Here's a closer look at the mic. I'll have a review of this on the channel. So if you guys want to see that, subscribe to the channel and get notified when it's posted. I'm also using it now for the voiceover on this video. So let me know what you guys think about the sound in the comment section below. And that's my gimbal and my tripod. Just put them over here and I'm done. I use it a lot for my videos. I also have a video unboxing it on my channel, so you guys can check that out. So this is the tripod fully extended. You'll use these 3 clips to adjust the height. And this is my little TV. It's connected to a Roku. There we go, guys. That's my channel. Subscribe. This is also a little tripod stand for the mic that I have. And this also goes on the mic. And this is my solar charger. Pretty nice and handy to have. It also has a flashlight. So you have like 3 different modes. Here they go. Pretty cool stuff. Everybody should have one. So that was a tour of my new office setup. Please let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. Let me know, what would you guys do different in the office? I'm open to your suggestions and your comments. This entire video was recorded on my iPhone and edited on my iPad Pro. As always guys, thanks for watching and peace out.